Okay, continue to example 3. Okay, given x normal 5, 3 square. Okay, so the value for the mean mu equal to 5 and the value for the sigma square means the variance is 3 square. So this is not standard normal distribution. This is normal distribution only. Okay. So we need to change the normal distribution to standard normal distribution. Why we need to change? Because you can read the value on your table if this is standard normal. Okay, only standard normal distribution you can read the value from the table. Okay. Okay. So from example 3, you have your mean, your mu is 5 and your variance is 3 square. Okay. To change the normal distribution to standard normal distribution, you must use this formula. Z equal to x minus mu divide to sigma. Sigma means standard deviation. Okay, so given here is sigma square is 3 square. So what is your sigma? Your sigma only 3. Okay. Variance is 3 square. Okay, so standard deviation is 3 only. Okay, let's start for number 1. Okay, find P x more than 6. Okay. So, your x you need to convert to change to z. So P x becomes z. Okay. The symbol more than same, no need to change anything. More than you take is more than also 6. 6 is your value of x here. So 6 minus mu. Okay, means you need to minus 5. 6 minus 5 and then you divide sigma, divide standard deviation 3. Okay, so I repeat again. Okay, I repeat again. Your x is more than 6. Because this is normal distribution, you need to change to standard normal. How to change? Using this formula. Okay, so x becomes z, more than, still more than. Okay, 6. 6 is the value of x. So 6 minus 5, your mu is 5, minus 5, divide 3. Your standard deviation is 3. Okay, and then P z 6 minus 5 and then you divide 3. So the answer when you calculate is 0.33. Okay, so z more than. Okay, because the symbol is more than, you can read direct from the table. More than 0.33. Okay, so find from the table 0.3 and above here 3. So the answer is 0.3707. Okay, this is the final answer. 0.3707. Okay, let's continue to number 2. Okay, for number 2, the question asks you to find Px more than negative 3.5. Okay, So, you need to change to standard normal. X become Z. Okay, more than, still same, more than. Okay, negative 3.5. Okay, you write negative 3.5 as your X. And then you minus mu is 5. And then you divide, your standard deviation is 3. Okay, so negative 3.5 minus 5 divide 3. Your answer is PZ more than negative 2.83. Okay, more than negative. Okay, cannot direct read from the table because more than is okay, but this is negative value. Okay, so you need to change to Z less than positive 2.83. Okay, so less than. If less than means 1 minus PZ more than 2.83. Okay, so 1 minus Z more than 2.83 from the table is, read from table is 0.0023. So 1 minus 0.0023, the answer is 0.9977. Okay, next, number 3. If P given as less than negative 3.2. Okay, same. You need to change to the standard normal. X becomes Z less than, also less than negative 3.2. You minus, mean is 5. And then you divide, standard deviation is 3. Okay, so P Z less than, okay, negative 3.2, you minus 5, you divide 3. Your answer is negative 2.73. Okay, so less than negative, you need to change to more than positive. Positive 2.73. So, positive 2.73, you can read direct from table. The answer is 0.0032. Next, continue to number 4. If P given in between 7.2 less than X less than 8.3. Okay, same step. You need to convert, to change to the standard normal distribution. So, your X here is 7.2. You minus, your mu is 5. Your mean is 5. You divide, standard deviation is 3. Okay, then the symbol here is less than. Same, no need to change anything. So, less than X becomes Z, less than, same. Okay, on your right, 8.3, you need to minus 5 and then divide the standard deviation 3. Okay, now calculate. 7.2 minus 5 divide 3. Okay, what's your answer? Your answer is 0.73. Less than Z, less than. Okay, 8.3 minus 5, you divide 3. The answer here is 1.1. Okay, so you have positive value on your left and positive value on your right. So, here, how to solve? On your left value minus on your right value. So, on your left is Z more than 0.73 minus PZ more than 1.1. Okay, so 0.73 you can read direct from table. From table, the answer is 0.2327 and Z more than 1.1 is from table is 0.1357. So the final answer is 0.097. Okay, let's continue to number 5. Okay, for number 5, given P negative 0.42 less than X less than negative 0.05. Okay, same step. You need to change the normal distribution to standard normal distribution. So, negative 0.42, you minus mean 5, you divide standard deviation 3. Okay, less than, same, less than, X change to Z and less than, same, negative 0.05 you minus mean 5 you divide 3. Okay, next calculate the final answer here is negative 1.81 less than Z less than negative 1.68. Okay, you have negative on your left and negative on your right. So how to solve? On your right minus on your left. So PZ more than 1.68 minus PZ more than 1.81. Okay. Z more than 1.68 from table is 0.0465 and Z 1.81 from table is 0.0351. Okay, you minus, the final answer is 0.0114. Okay. Okay, and the last one for number 6 is given P in between negative 3.20 less than Z less than 6.01. Okay, how to solve? Same. P negative 3.20, you minus the mean 5. You divide the standard deviation is 3. Okay, sorry, here is X. Okay, so less than X become Z. Okay, and then 6.01 you minus 5 you divide 3. Okay, so on your left the answer is negative 2.73 less than Z less than, on your right is 0.34. Okay, next you have negative value on your left and positive value on your right. So how to solve? 1 minus on your left is 2.73, on your right is 0.34. Okay, so 1 minus 2.73 from the table is 0.0032 and 0.34 from the table is 0.3669. Okay, so the answer is, final answer is 0.6299. Okay, let's continue to example 4. Okay, for example 4, given X normal 2 and 4 square. Okay, so you need to identify this is normal distribution or this is standard normal distribution, because the value of mean is 2 and the standard deviation, and the variance is 4. square. So this is normal distribution, like example 3. So you need to change to standard normal distribution using the formula standard normal distribution. Using the formula Z equal to X minus mu over sigma over standard deviation. So your X, your mean, your mu means your mean equal to 2 and your standard deviation equal to 4. 4 only. Okay. So, for example 4, I need you to do by yourself and I give the answer for your checking. Okay. For example 4, the answer for your number 1, you must get 0.2266. Okay. For number 2, make sure you got the answer 0.8708. And for number 3, the final answer is 0.0968. And for number 4, your answer is 0.0397. Number 5, 0.0341. Okay. And the last one, example 5. Okay, same. You need to do by yourself. Okay, so for example 5, make sure you got the answer for number 1 is 0.3281 and for number 2 is 0.0630. Okay, so that's all for chapter normal distribution. Okay. Try to understand. Okay, thank you class.